Hey guys, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica here to deliver another dose of sparkle for you. This time compliments of my beloved Cricut maker. We're going to use glittered iron-on vinyl to make these awesome tote bags. Now, what you're going to need is a canvas tote bag. I like to pre-wash mine ahead of time, and some iron-on glittered vinyl. You can find this at the craft store, or you can go to the Cricut.com shop. Make sure to take your Cricut maker, and this is mine in my studio. I feel like one of these machines, the Cricut maker, the Cricut Joy, they're just so good for people who have small businesses like I do. It really is a workhorse. You can do so much with it. You can see how much I have personalized mine because it just makes me happy. It's very easy to open up. This side is the blade. This side is where you can put in a pen. And it has this nice little area to put all of your accessories. Everything is just so easy to use. I'm a beginner at this, but I feel like I'm a pro now after doing several projects. Now, once you have your machine open and turned on, go to your Bluetooth on your iPad or your laptop or even your phone and make sure it is connected. Next, you want to choose your vinyl. Now, glittered iron-on vinyl is very thick. That is because it has this carrier sheet on the top. So the backside is matte. So what you want to do is place the carrier shiny side of your glittered iron-on vinyl onto your standard grip mat. Line it up with the edges and press it all the way down. You can smooth it out with a roller or any of the other accessories. I'm going to use this little scraper tool right here that Cricut has, and make sure it's nice and flat, and you're going to insert it into your machine. Press the little button right there so that it loads. Now we're going to go to Cricut Design Space. This is where the magic happens. You're going to choose the Cricut maker, click on New Project. I have my own design, so I'm going to upload this image from my photo album, and you can click on Remove Background, and this cleans it all up so that the only thing that will show is your design. It also has a despeckle tool that will remove any little extra spots. Be sure to name your design so that you can find it later if you happen to need a rose again. Save it, and boom, there it is in your Cricut Design Space personal library. I'm going to insert this into my project. So what I'm doing now is I'm sizing it to be 12 inches long. That's how long my piece of vinyl is. Anytime you're using iron-on, you want to make sure to click the mirrored option. Now it's going to take us to materials. This is so that the Cricut maker will know what kind of pressure to add to our project. So I'm going to iron-on, I'm going to click on glitter iron-on, and now it's time to load the mat so we can get cutting. Now we're going to go ahead and press go. When you're in Design Space, it will walk you through every step. It is so easy to follow, and this is the mesmerizing part where you can just sit and daydream about how awesome your tote bag is going to be, how sparkly it is. And when it's done, you can set it down and peel it away from the mat. And now we're going to use our tool to weed out the excess glittered vinyl. And I definitely save all of this because I could use it for other craft projects later. Once all of my excess vinyl is removed, now I can place it onto my tote bag wherever I want it. I'm pressing it down, and I'm going to use the scraper, and then I'm going to use this awesome, brilliant heat guide at Cricut.com. You put in the type of vinyl, the surface, and it tells you what temperature and for how long you need to iron it. I'm using my Easy Press, setting it to warm up, and then it will beep when it's ready. In the meantime, I can go in and insert my Easy Press mat inside of my tote bag. And here we go, it's time to heat it up. So I'm going to take my Easy Press and place it on top, and all you do is just hit the button and it will chime when it's done. And look at this peel away that carrier sheet and you have a beautiful glittered tote bag. I got so excited about this, I had to add all these different gems to it. So look how it turned out. I'm so happy with this tote. I want to give it away, but then I also want to keep it. And then I ended up making more tote bags using some more custom designs. This is one that my husband drew, and then the rose is one that I found online. But if you're like, Kathy, I don't have any custom designs, I just want to make something. Easy. Go to Cricut Design Space. I have a cactus theme in mind for my next project. They have so many project ideas and images that you can use. So I'm just going to go to images and type in cactus and see what comes up. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love this little terrarium one. Bingo, that's going to be my next project. I think these would be so cute to give as a gift or to fill up as a gift basket. You could have them for a party. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a like, share it with your friends, and for more crafty ideas, visit craftychica.com.